In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your stock ticker data from Excel into TradingView, enhancing your trading experience and streamlining your market analysis process. Let's start by preparing your Excel file. Open up your Excel spreadsheet where your stock tickers are listed. It's crucial to have all your desired stock tickers in a single column. This structure will significantly ease the process of data transfer later on. As you input your tickers, ensure each one is correct. A small but vital detail is to include the exchange prefix for each ticker. For instance, you would write NASDAQ AAPL for Apple stock or LSE MSFT for Microsoft if they're listed on the London Stock Exchange. This not only adds clarity but also prevents any potential issues when you're syncing with TradingView later. Once you're sure your list is complete and accurate, it's time to save this file in a format that TradingView can understand. Within Excel, you'll head to File, then choose Save As. Here, you'll want to select a file type that is compatible. You have the option of text, tab delimited, or text, comma delimited. Either option is suitable, as TradingView can handle both. Be mindful when choosing the location to save this file. Picking a spot that you can easily remember, like your desktop, will save you time when you're uploading. Now, with your ticker data saved as a text file, open up your web browser and go to tradingview.com. This site is your go-to for comprehensive stock charting and analysis. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the right-hand panel where you'll find your watch list. Near this area is an add icon, typically symbolized by a plus sign, plus. Click this icon and you'll be prompted to either expand your current watch list or create a new one entirely. From the options that appear, you'll want to select Import List. This is your bridge to bringing the data from your text file into TradingView effectively. You'll be presented with a window where you can drag and drop your .txt file. If you prefer, there's also an option to click a Browse button, which allows you to manually find and select the file wherever you saved it on your device earlier. Following these steps should seamlessly import your stock tickers from Excel into TradingView, making it easier for you to track and analyze your portfolio. This process simplifies your workflow, allowing you to focus more on your trading decisions instead of data management. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to syncing Excel data with TradingView effortlessly. By accurately following these steps, you'll enhance your trading efficiency with a well-organized watch list at your fingertips. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.